Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. At kung bago kayo dito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate kayo. Thank you. So, first message ninyo, we have Peaceful Warrior, Archangel Ariel. Thank you, Ariel, for helping me stand my ground with peace. Ayan. So, napakaganda nito. Babantayan kayo, tutulungan kayo, tatayo sa katabi ninyo si Archangel Ariel, diba? Para to stand your ground, for you to be able to stand your ground. No? Ipaglaban kung anong dapat na ipaglaban, harapin kung anong dapat na harapin. With the help of Archangel Ariel, magagawa ninyo yan. So, what else? We have spiritual support. Hindi lang si Archangel Ariel ang tutulong sa'yo, but you are getting the support of your angels, of your ancestors, of your spiritual guide, yung mga ganon, So, sabi din dito, dear angels, I allow you to support me as I grow to become more spiritually aware. So, kumbaga, inaalaw mo din, yung mga angels mo sa ngayon, binibigyan mo sila ng power to help you, or binibigyan mo sila ng pumapayag ka, na mag-intervene sila sa buhay mo. Kaya full force dito yung mga angels mo and yung spiritual team mo para tulungan ka, gabayan ka, para na maging spiritually aware ka. So, what else? We have spiritual abundance. Napakagandang blessing ito. Sabi dito, thank you angels for blessing me with infinite abundance. So, walang humpay, nakasaganaan ang paparating sa inyo dito. Ako nakikita ninyo yung kamay ng angel, handful, of gold coins. So, maraming gold coins, maraming pera. Malaking amount of pera ang maaring dumating sa'yo, and this could be the start of continuously flowing of abundance and prosperity into your life. Kaya napaka-blessed ninyo. Maaring ito na yung simula ng kasaganaan mo, yung hindi na matatapos, hindi na mauubos yung inyong kasaganaan. Take time to breathe. Thank you angels. I breathe with ease knowing you're here. Okay? So, panahon na ito. This is a time for you to breathe. This is a time for you to, this is a time for you para makapagpahinga. Diba? Makapagpahinga at makapag-take a breather. Take your time para naman sa sarili mo. Okay? Panahon para mag-recharge, mag-rejuvenate, mag-recuperate. Okay? So, good for you. So, maraming salamat for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na po kayo. And also, maraming salamat din for not skipping the ads. Malaking tulong po yan sa akin. Thank you. And also, please click the join button sa baba ng video po, kung gusto po ninyong mag-member sa channel. Thank you. And sa mga cross-watchers, hello po sa inyong lahat. So, we have Hawk Messenger. Spirit is sending you messages. Open your greater vision to see the signs. Focus on priorities and eliminate distractions. You have a bright future. Okay? Let yourself ascend to new heights. Alright? So, merong mga merong mga mensahe na pinapadala sa inyo ng Divine Universe, and that's very important for you to access that messages, kasi yan yung magbubukas ng pinto para sa iyo for more opportunities, or for your bright future. Kaya maaari din na meron dito mga hindi lang yung mga intuitive messages, kundi mga signs, symbols, and synchronicities, ang ipapadala sa inyo. Kasi kumbaga, this is a must. Kung saan man kayo gagabayan ng mga signs na to, it's a must. So, kailangan nyo tong masundan, kailangan ninyong makita para makasabay na kayo, sa kung saan man kayo dapat na mapunta, masabayan nyo na yung guidance na ito. So, what else? We have intuitive. Listen to the song in your soul. Trust your intuition as you have a way of knowing. Emerge from the busy life and seek more solitude. Recognize that you are unique and that you are loved. Ayan. So, Capricorn, your intuition will be heightened sa ngayon. Kaya mahalaga talaga na ma-receive mo or ma-access mo yung intuition mo so that you will be guided accordingly. Maraming guidance, no, ang ibinibigay sa iyo ng Divine Universe. Your intuition will be heightened sa ngayon so that you'd be able to easily receive, no, the guidance para sa iyo, yung messages para sa iyo. And you're also being invited here to put yourself in solitude. Baka kailangan nyo talaga na magpahinga, 'di ba? And you will be able to receive more messages from the divine. Now, when you are in stillness, when you are not doing anything, mag-isa lang kayo, 'di ba? Mas diyan ninyo mapipick up yung mga mensahe para sa iyo, okay? Wisdom, let your head and mind reach to the stars, yet keep your feet grounded on the earth. Listen to the ancient wisdom in your soul. The ancestors speak through you. You know much. Okay? Marami na kayong natutunan. Marami na kayong alam sa buhay. And maybe now is the time that you're going to apply that wisdom na mga napulot ninyo, na-accumulate ninyo in the past. Gamitin nyo yan, i-apply ninyo yan sa mga circumstances sa buhay sa ngayon. Okay? So, gamitin ninyo yan. So, what else? We have Polar Bear, Mystic. Ayan, know the challenges make you stronger. Have faith when you face adversity. Take time to rest, dream, and renew your strength. Embrace your psychic abilities. You carry the shaman within. Mayang Capricorn. You have that very strong psychic ability in you. Kaya gamitin ninyo yan, no? To your advantage. Gamitin ninyo, pakinggan ninyo lagi ang inyong intuition, mga psychic abilities ninyo are on point at this time. At marami kang madidiscover about yourself. Marami kang madidiscover na mga mensahe para sa iyo, no, na siyang makakatulong para malagpasan mo yung mga problema, makakatulong sa iyo para mas lalo ka pang maging matatag. Kasi matatag ka ng dati, pero mas lalo ka pang magiging matatag. Marami ka ng pinagdaanan sa buhay. You've gone through a lot of difficulties in your life, no? Kaya naging matibay ka na, resilient ka na, strong ka na. Pero mas lalo ka pang papatatagin, no, ng mga mensaheng ito ng Divine Universe para sa iyo. Okay? So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.